Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard shake in After Effects. Start by organizing layers and setting your composition frame rate and resolution, then import footage and pre-compose moving elements so the shake affects them cleanly. Put an adjustment layer above edits and apply base displacement, then animate position with keyframes or expressions. Keep iterations brief, preview often, and save incremental versions to compare changes and avoid losing work. Use wiggle expressions and helper sliders to drive shake intensity in a controlled way. Add an expression control for amplitude and another for frequency. Then parent your position and rotation expressions to those sliders so you can key a single value. Use a decay expression to taper the shake naturally after impacts, and bake expressions to keyframes when you need consistent renders or further manual tweaks during fine-tuning. Layer different shake layers to mimic real camera responses like bounce, wobble, and high-frequency jitter for grit. Use directional blur on fast movements and enable motion blur on your comp to merge frames convincingly, then nudge keyframes to sync shakes with audio hits or cuts. Render short test loops at various strengths, compare and record settings that work, and keep a preset comp for future projects to speed up the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.